Rainy day brings joy and happiness in nature and the surroundings. It uplifts the mood of people by making the atmosphere calm and serene. Long time ago, there was a huge green frog named Golu. Lived in a big forest. He lived in a pond near a big banyan tree. All animals were suffering from scorching heat and used to live nearby pond. Many birds too lived on banyan tree near the lake. One morning, everyone was surprised to hear very sweet, melodious voice of cuckoo. All gathered near the tree to hear sweet voice of cuckoo. All seemed very happy as very soon sky was full of dark clouds and started raining. All animals started dancing with joy and thanked Cuckoo for her sweet melodies. Golu shouted, "Stop! It's not Cuckoo. It's me! That brings rain. That was my voice." All animals started laughing. "Why?" Golu said angrily. "Listen carefully." And he started croaking. "Oh no, please stop!" All screamed. They all requested Cuckoo to sing again. And Mr. Golu didn't hurt anybody and continued singing. Sorry, croaking.